it right into the nail bed like that. And then once you have it in there, you kind of just work it down into the nail bed. I take either a wire tool, where's that little wire tool? I don't know where it is. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a tool. I'm just gonna work it down.
To the center a
yeah.
bit. Oh, there. Oops.
Am I there?
Nope.
Ooh, ooh.
There you go.
There we are.
Okay.
I'm going to work it down into that nail bed with my tool. Sometimes if a tool is too heavy to do this, you can take a paintbrush and literally sculpt with your paintbrush, because you do need a really light touch for this.
Okay.
You don't want to push it too hard. You'll flatten it right out and it won't look right. But I'm just kind of stroking it out and then turn it over. See how the underneath part's real fat?
Mm-hmm.
Don't really want that. Well, we want it thick, but we don't want it that thick. So I put my finger behind it and just with my scalpel, I'm going to nick it away a little bit.
Nice.
And now just form it and shape it. Thank you, Clip.